Hello guys, how are you today? Trust you're keeping safe. Okay, so I'm actually working on this project, and I would like to do a gathers at the bottom. It's a baby's clothes. Yeah. So I'll be using this fabric. So I thought to show you how to gather your fabric. Some people call it ruffles. To how to do ruffles with your fabric and attach to your project. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to take the measurement of the project you're working on, and then the fabric you'll be gathering should be at least 1.5 times the exact measurement of the project. What I mean is that, for example, now this is if I measure round, yeah, if I measure round here now, this is about 23 inches round, yeah. So the fabric that I'll be gathering and adding to this should be at least 1.5 of this measurement. So the mathematics is 1.5 times 23, and that should be about 34 inches, yeah. So this fabric now is 33 inches, which is okay. This is 33 inches now, which is okay. So whenever you're working on your project, always remember to not to gather less than 1.5 times the exact measurement. So you can do more. It depends on how full or how much you want the gathers to be. So now the method I'll be using to gather this fabric to fit into this is to use a basting stitch. Yeah. So some people also call it gather stitch. So the idea is that you increase your stitch length to the highest. This is the highest stitch length on this machine is 4. Yeah. So I'll increase it to 4, and then I'll sew a straight line. Yeah, from the beginning onto the end. Yeah, using 4. If the highest stitch if the longest stitch on your machine is about 7, some machines have 7, some machines have 9, just increase it to the highest, and then you sew a basting stitch straight down to the end. Yeah. Okay, so I'll be sewing 2 or 3 lines. Yeah, so that the ruffles would align. Yeah, it will align straight down. You understand better when we're doing it. And also, the reason I'll be using 2 or 3 straight lines is that if while I'm pulling, if one thread, yeah, if one of the stitches is caught, I can use the remaining 2 or the remaining 1 to complete the gathers. Yeah. So now what I'll be doing is to sew a basting stitch straight down from the top up to the bottom. Please don't backstitch. Don't backstitch when you want to start. And then also ensure that you have a long tail. Yeah, you have a long tail at the start and you have a long tail at the end, because that is what you're going to use to pull the gathers, to form the gathers. Also, do not backstitch when you get to the end, and leave a long tail. I'll be making another line. Don't sew on the first line. Don't cross the lines in any way. Ensure you don't do that. Okay, so now that I've done this, I use the white thread at the top, and I use the brown thread in the bobbin, so it will be easy for me to explain. So I'll pull the 2 top threads. Like I said, you can do 2 or 3 basting stitches, but for this project I'm actually doing 2. So pull the 2 top threads, yeah, which is white in this case, and then you pull it to form your gathers. Be careful. You see the gathers are already forming. So we'll be pulling from, like I said, this is 33 inches, yeah? So we'll be pulling from 33. We'll be gathering it until we get to 23 inches, which is what we need for this project. So if you feel you have stressed one half of the clothes enough, you can move to the other side, yeah? Pull the two top stitches and then you gather it as well. You can gather from that side so that you don't put too much stress on one side and then the thread will eventually cut. Okay, so guys, after measuring, this is 22, but remember what I need is 23 inches, yeah? So I'll have to release the gathers. So I want to release the gathers. I'll spread it out. Because I don't want anything less than 23. Let's try again. This is 24 and this is perfect. So what I'll do is to join this fabric so that it will be easy for me to fix. It will be easy for me to fix here at the bottom. So I'll join the fabric, right side facing right side. Please don't cut this thread until you're done joining to the garment here. So I'll join this first. I'm using 1/2 inch to join. Before you join, yeah, you know we're joining this. Remember to change your stitch length back to what it was before. Mine was in 2, so remember to change it back. So now that I've joined it, the next thing is to join this, the gathered fabric, to the garment that I'm working on. So this is the right side of the gathered fabric. So what I'll do is to put this gathered fabric on. I'm actually going to sandwich this garment inside the gathered fabric, yeah? So I'm turning it this way. This is the right side of the garment I'm working on, yeah? So I'm actually going to turn this right side facing right side. You can use pins to hold it in place before you start to join. Then I'll be sewing with the same allowance that I left for this fabric, which is 0.5, 1/2 inch. So this is a cute gathers that we have made. So now we can cut off all hanging threads. So guys, you would observe that the gathers is not really much, yeah, and that's because we used 1.5, 1.5 of the exact measurement. So if you want a very full gathers, yeah, you should double or triple the measurement of the project. Okay, so that is the end of our project. I hope you like it. You can try it as well. Guys, please subscribe to my channel if you have not. If it's your first time watching, please subscribe. And if there is any question that you want to ask, please ask, and I'll try as much as possible to respond. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.